Working with OpenText ACDI. Data Lifecycle Management. Fourth and final video in the Working with OpenText ACDI series. One of the most requested features has been automated data lifecycle management. ACDI version 25.2 introduces intelligent cleanup scripts with enterprise-grade safety measures. To configure predefined cleanup scripts, we go to Administration. Then to Core Engine. On the Core Engine Settings page, we select Scheduled Tasks. In this menu tab, you'll find available tasks such as delete objects older than a certain number of days and remove empty indices. Let's review the task setup process by configuring one of these tasks. It's a default task, but it can easily be renamed. In our case, to delete audit data 180 days. According to the cron expression, the script is scheduled to run every Saturday at 11 p.m. This is the default setting, so we'll leave it as is. As for the other task parameters, age threshold, index pattern, and time field, we'll keep their predefined values and won't make any changes. Now, let's save the changes. What gets protected? Current rollover indices, preserves right aliases, and recent data within threshold. What gets removed? Objects older than specified threshold, and empty indices matching patterns. These are the safety mechanisms. Now, let's take a look at the task customization options. First, we clone an existing task, and then begin creating a custom script. We will rename it to Delete Reports 90 Days. Okay, let's move on to modifying the script parameters. We change age threshold to 90 days. Index pattern, write report IDM. The script gets scheduled to every Monday at 2 a.m. Finally, let's save the changes. Great. For enterprises, there may be scenarios where it's necessary to delete audit data older than 7 years or clean report data older than 1 year. These are examples of multi-retention policies, which can be easily implemented using the strategy we will review in a moment. The configurations are as follows. Select the task from the list that contains the required script. Rename it to Audit Data Cleanup Older Than 7 Years. And set the age threshold to 2,555 days. Equivalent to 7 years. Click the arrow to collapse the task configuration parameters. Next, let's move on to the report cleanup scenario for data older than 365 days, equivalent to 1 year. Go to the age threshold field and change the value to 365 days. Finally, scroll up and click Save. Great, we're all set. Thank you for your attention. Have a good one.